Want to get more views and keep people watching your videos longer? In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add end screens, info cards, and playlist links. All the tools YouTubers use to keep viewers engaged and boost watch time. Let's get started. So we're going to be using the Chrome version because you can only find these options there. Very well detailed. So once you go to your Chrome version of YouTube Studio, you click on content just as you're seeing on the screen, then you pick the particular video you want to add end screen and cards to. Then guys, this is what's going to appear: the video details. You see the title, you see the description. If you want to adjust your title, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to adjust your description, you can go ahead and do that. But in this particular video, we want to add end screen and info cards, also known as cards. So let's get into it. So you scroll down, then you will see subtitles, you will see end screen, you will see cards. The first we're going to start with will be end screen. You click on it. So guys, you click on end screen. In the next video, I will be sharing with you how to make a subtitle visible, but let's get right into the main focus of this video, which is end screen and cards. So once you click on end screen, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see different elements, right? You're going to see one of one video, one subscribe. You're going to see another of one playlist, one subscribe. You're going to see two videos. You're also going to see one video, one playlist, and the last but not the least, one video, one playlist, one subscribe. So we're going in for the one video, one playlist, and one subscribe. Very important, guys. Once you click on that, you will be seeing an option saying you should please choose a playlist. So you click on that playlist and you pick a particular playlist that you want to add to your end screen. It is important to create a playlist. If you do not know how to create one, I have a video where I taught us how you can actually create a playlist. So after picking the desired playlist, you go ahead to click on the next element, which is either best for viewer, or you choose a specific video, or you go ahead to choose a specific video, right? You have the opportunity to pick whatever video you want your viewers to see. Then if you do not want that, you can as well allow YouTube to recommend a video for you. So but in this particular one, I guess I went for me selecting a particular video that I want to be on my end screen. So after that, do well. Okay, this is the timing. Automatically, guys, this is what it's going to set for you. It usually comes up towards the end of the video, few minutes towards the end of the video. If you happen to change this, it's not going to work. So guys, the next thing, make sure to save. If you do not save this, trust me, every effort you've put in there is going to go to waste. So make sure you save. Then that is that for the end screen. Now let's move on to cards. You click on it. So guys, once you click on cards, this is what you're going to be seeing on the screen. You have to select the type of card to begin. You have video, we have playlist, we have channel, and we have link, right? So any of them works. But in this video, I will be showing you how you can actually put your video, you can put playlist, you can put channel into your videos. So now we're trying to pick a particular video. That is me picking one. Then you have to pick your timing, right? You get to put in whatever time you want that card to show up once a viewer is seeing your videos. So you type in whatever duration you want. You can use this method, and you can also use the method that you will be seeing on the screen right now. This one, guys, you can use you can actually move that to whatever position you want it to be, the straight line, right? So once you do that, it's going to also reflect here. So it's the same thing. You either pick the side or the down part. So then in this cards, you are allowed to choose up to 5. Okay, so this is the second one we're about picking. I looked for another video that I would want. So now look at, this is me doing this intentionally to show you that you cannot put multiple cards. The same video you put in the first one is not what you should put in the second one. It's not going to work. Okay, you have to reselect another one. So this is me trying to do that. Then after which I will now try to move down the that straight line, should I call it the cursor. I try to move it to the particular timing I want it to be. Remember, it's going to be reflecting up there. You will see the timing as well. So once that is done, guys, you go ahead to pick another video. If you're not comfortable with where that particular video is being placed, you can change it. So this is me trying to pick the third video. Remember I said you can pick up to 5. Now 5 meaning you can pick 3 videos, you can pick 1 playlist and 1 channel. Okay, you can actually pick 5 videos, whatever you wish, guys. So this is the third video. I think I'm cool with the duration they gave to me. Okay, so now let's move on to playlist. So I picked in this particular playlist I picked how to series. Okay, so in this playlist this is the time that is being given, right? So guys, remember to always change the timing that is being given, right? If you're comfortable with the first one, mind you, the second one is going to reflect as the same, so do well to change it. Then the next thing, we're going to be choosing channel, right? So you will see the option where you get to search any channel on YouTube. Of course you would want to put your channel, so you type in your channel's name and different options might come out depending on how many channels are using the same name as you are. So this is it, guys. I have seen my channel, so I selected that one. Then it will appear here, but you will see channel cards must have a custom message. Okay, this is where you get to type in your custom message. You have the opportunity to type in whatever it is you want, but for the purpose of this video I will be typing in please subscribe for more. Okay, so because you know this is your channel you're putting in there, so that is what the viewers are going to see. Please subscribe for more. This is now like a means of, you know, adding your call to action even in the process of your videos, right? I always preach call to action, which is very important. Then you will move ahead to type in the teaser text. You can also put in the same thing. Okay, you can make yours fancy, whatever it is you have in mind, guys, but as long as it's passing a direct message that is leading to subscription. All right, so after that is done, then guys, we'll move on to save, right? Saving is very important. You make sure to save whatever it is you're doing in this particular end screen and cards. Remember what I said previously, that you need to save every changes you make here. If not, everything is going to go to waste. So this is a reminder that this video can only contain up to 5 cards. Okay, after that you click on save. Once it's done saving, that's it, guys. If you go back to watch your videos, you will see everything reflecting just as you made it so in the Chrome version, right? So that's it. We're done with end screen, we're done with cards, and we're moving to description. Remember, description is where you can put in everything and anything as long as it's correlating with whatever it is you are dishing out in your video. Okay, so this video is trying to tell you that you can actually put in your put in your playlist link. Okay, just copy and paste copy the playlist link, then you come here and you paste the link, and once you're done with that, saving is important. Make sure you click on save. Then guys, that is it. That is all of that about end screen and cards, and also adding your playlist link to your description. It is really not a hard thing to do. These are the things you need to do to help improve your channel views and the reach. So guys, do well to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, let me know which other video you want me to create, and I will be doing that as soon as possible. Click on the subscribe button if you haven't. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.